beautiful Nessa. The baby is asleep. She might make an appearance if she hears us talking, but we'll see. So today what do we have? A fun toys unboxing and review. So this is this fun little toy. It's called Dr. Kids and it's by Innocheer. So basically it's called Medical Center Little Doctor Set, and it has a whole bunch of cute little things, and it's a 2-in-1, and I'm assuming it's a 2-in-1 because it's a briefcase and a purse, so you can hold it like a briefcase or a little purse, and it is good for ages 3 and up. So I'm going to assist her by cutting, and I will link this cute little set in the description below, and I'll put it on the screen how much it is. You can find this at Amazon, and it is a cute little set. I don't know about you, but my daughters, they love to play doctor. You guys like to play doctor? And so this is such a cute little set. Can you show all the kids?
It's a little doctor, and then they have a word and and to hold it like this.
Yeah, it's like a little briefcase.
And a little thing too.
Oh yes, to put the strap.
I know how to open it.
Okay, so she's gonna open it. Let's see if it's kid friendly. Oh, she was able to open it. Oh, what do we have here?
What is that?
What is it? What do you think it is?
I think it's a doctor thing to wear to be a doctor.
Very official here, guys and kids. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. The little doctor mask. This is so cute. It's like so cute.
It's just like a real doctor.
Yeah, it's like a little real doctor.
Wow.
This is so cute. And I'll do a close-up on everything. But it has pockets, it has a little collar, and it has 3 buttons. It is so cute. And
Stickers!
it feels smooth. Oh, stickers. So these stickers, we're going to see where they belong. But it has a picture of medicine. It has a picture of a little chart, a computer. Oh, this is so cute. I will, again, do a close-up on everything, so don't you worry. So I don't know if you have a little doctor in your family that might enjoy this little gift. Or, I don't know, birthdays just because. Or if you want to wait for Christmas. This is such a cute
You can
doctor
get it
set
from the mailbox too.
from Amazon. And I will link the link where we got it from below, so you can go and check it out. Alright, so what is this called? You told me the other day. What is it called?
Microscope? No.
No, but close. Oh, you're gonna listen to my heartbeat. How cute is that?
I only works if I put it on.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's perfect.
Oh, look at this. Little pretend bandages.
Yeah. Mom, it's just perfect so it don't fall.
Oh, yes.
Can I try it?
Yes, you can. Right here in the heart.
Okay.
What do you
This
hear?
is not anything. It won't glow.
Oh, yeah. No, actually. Oh. There you go. There you go. The heartbeat, look at it. It lights up. It lights up. So.
If I press this green button.
Yes, it lights up and she can hear my heartbeat. Oh, we got little cardboards, and they are supposed to be the medicine, the prescription. So we gotta put them together.
Yeah.
And
If someone's sick.
so if she prescribes me something, this is what she's gonna give her clients, this is what she's gonna give her patients. little prescription. What else do you have there? Nope.
Oh, I got it. Some scissors.
Some scissors. That's so cute.
These are perfect. What is this?
I have no idea, but it's another
Wait, it's for
medical
teeth.
device. No. Trying to pull somebody's teeth. Some scissors. So cute.
What is this? Glasses.
Some glasses so she can be able to see her patients better.
To see.
If she has surgery.
Now and everything else.
What else do you have? Oh, some tweezers. If you used to take out some slings.
And outside, I gotta give you okay, I'm just gonna always to see your teeth.
Yes. Oh, careful.
It's to see your teeth. What is this?
I'm not sure what
I think
that
it's
is.
for to do this.
For the knee? Check your bones. Pretty fancy, I tell you. Pretty fancy. A bunch of little accessories.
I can see your eye.
Oh.
But it's not open.
It's not open. But you can still pretend. And we got some little bandages. We're supposed to decorate it.
Mommy, can I decorate it? But the last thing is the temperature.
Yes, the temperature. To monitor your temperature. Alright, so here you go.
Okay.
What do you think of it? Do you think it's cute? Do you think it's fun? Are you excited? Are you going to be a in-home doctor making home visits?
So they can come like my
So if somebody's feeling sick, they can call you?
They can call me, they can come. Mommy, I'm sick.
Alright, so the next one is
Where's
the red one.
Ooh, red is for hearts for Valentine's Day too.
It's pretty much a little doctor set on the go. Has everything you need for a checkup. It has prescription. It has to check your teeth, to check your temperature, to check your ears and mouth. So I think it's so cute. Oh look, this has a dial.
That's what I was saying.
Oh.
How do you can twist this? I think this.
So who are you gonna call if I get hurt?
The doctor.
The doctor, Dr. Nessa.
You
Woohoo!
mean Rosalie?
Yes, Dr. Rosalie. So you excited? You like it? What's your favorite part about it?
Seeing this thing.
The doctor robe?
And the microscope.
Yeah, and then what else?
I think that's.
What about the mask? Do you think the mask is pretty cool? You ready for surgery? Yeah. Who are you gonna check first, dad or mom? Or baby sister?
Baby sister.
Oh, okay, when she wakes up, okay? You can play with her. So what do you think? Do you give it a big thumbs up? Yeah? You checking your temperature?
Okay, your RP is good. Now let's check your eye. Say Is that your tongue?
No, careful.
Let's check. Okay.
Not in your mouth, mamas. Just pretend.
Okay. Yeah, tweezer if Grandma has something.
Careful with her eye, Money. Not her eye.
Okay, yeah. One day. Say
Not really in her mouth. Just pretending, okay, girl?
1,000.
1,000? Oh my goodness. You're gonna need some medicine.
I will give you one. Okay? Because in the morning, there are two of this for morning, night, and for the same with these. So half these, okay? Well, actually two because God did. Okay, I hope you feel better. This.
What about a shot? Does she need a shot?
Yeah. Are you scared? No. What? I'll do it.
You're silly. You don't put a shot on your head.
Yeah, okay.
It's on your arm. Well, we're gonna let them play, but so far you can tell they are enjoying the Dr. Set Kid toy.
The duck is.
Did you already check her heart?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
Check.
You girls are so cute. Did you wear the glasses already? Let me see you.
I look like Mr. Cluedo.
Oh no. Well, really hope you enjoy her unboxing of this cute little Dr. Kids little toy. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you have a little one that loves playing doctor, then you're probably going to love this little set. It has over, I would count 16 accessories. It has a little briefcase, you can turn it into a little purse.
Or grab it.
And it comes with a whole bunch of little cute accessories, so I think a little one would definitely enjoy it. I know they will because they love playing doctor. They love to pretend that they're hurt, and they go and do their checkups.
And I got a Hello Kitty, but I
Yes. She has a Hello Kitty that we got a while back, but it doesn't have as many accessories as this one. I thought this one was so
There's
cute.
a stethoscope,
A little thermometer, some prescriptions, little boxes, pills.
stickers, the stickers.
Bandages, some sticker bandages. Yes, it is so cute. We absolutely love it. I know that they're going to get a lot of usage of it. They're going to be playing doctor all the time. I can already see them.
If we're using this.
Yes, and it comes with a little cute little robe and the mask. So, I mean, if you're a doctor or a nurse, I think this would be a cute little addition for your kiddo. You want to, if they want to be just like you.
Or both.
Yes. So we really hope you enjoyed our unboxing, our little tour like this type of stuff, you can bring
Mom, did you
more
know
different
Baby
toys.
Valerie are surprised?
Yeah, she's a surprise. Really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs
Thumbs
up.
up.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel.
And a heart for you.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for future videos. We do upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. And we're going to be bringing you more toys reviews. So stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss out because we are finding a lot of cute toys on Amazon.
And we tried to find her hat that they didn't come with it.
Yes.
But it's fine.
So until next time, bye.
Bye.
And where's the heart? Heart for you.
Heart.
Bye.
Say bye.
Say bye.